PSLE exam, StudySmart. New PSLE scoring system, benefits and key aspects explored. Important aspects of the new PSLE scoring system. Based on the new methodology, each PSLE standard topic is scored using the 8 achievement level bands from AL1 to AL8. The score range for the 8 ALs will be 4 to 32, with 4 being the highest possible score and 32 the lowest conceivable score. The 8 AL bands will represent the student's understanding and mastery of the subject. The Ministry of Education assigns an automatic score to students who are excluded from the mother tongue, MTL, foreign and Asian languages. According to the Ministry of Education website, there is no pass/fail for PSLE subjects or PSLE in general. The AL method has made it easier for students to pass, and the margin of success, obtaining an overall score of 4, has also decreased. Most students will not use automated voting under the new AL method. High school posting will be based solely on merit under the new approach. If more than one student has identical PSLE scores, 3 tiebreakers will be used to decide who is the most deserving. Benefits of the new AL rating system. The revised PSLE grading system does not affect the PSLE curriculum, its significance, or assessment requirements. There are only 29 potential PSLE scores, unlike the 200 possible aggregates of the previous system. It has higher cutoff points, allowing students to choose from a broader selection of high schools. The grading system is built so that it is impossible to identify if a student has been disadvantaged.